Hi, this is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google or Google Assistant option on this device. So open first the Google app, tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. Tap to Voice Google Assistant section and click to Hey Google and Voice Match. And to activate Hey Google option, you should click on the switcher. If you want an assistant to recognize your voice, you should tap to retain voice model and say, OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hi Google, reminds me to water my plants every Monday. And now we could see that the Hey Google option successfully enabled, and when you'll say just OK Google or Hey Google, you could see that this option successfully enabled. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.